Hi, it's Esther Brodovich from Live Signal Trade. I want to make this video to show you how to open a trading account. First of all, I choose this year a very nice broker from Australia. It's Pepperstone. Pepperstone is actually my best broker, the one that I choose this year because of the services, very nice services, very professional trading platform. And I wanted to show you how to open a trading account. So first of all, you can go to my website, livesignaltrade.com, and you can click on any banner, okay? On this website, you will find live signals. Okay, I'm going to show you live signals with results. Okay, like this one. Okay, every day I publish signals, live signals on YouTube. You can go to my channel and you can subscribe to my channel if you want. You will get instant live signal on my channel. It's Signal Live Trade on YouTube. You can also follow my signals on Twitter. Every day I'm sending new signals on Twitter. And it's very nice. Okay, just to remind you something, Live Signal Trade is made by Esther Brodovich, but the purpose of this website is to share my personal view on financial instruments. Okay, but it doesn't mean that I advise you or I'm suggesting you to trade the way I do. Okay, so by subscribing to my channels on social network, you can get information, but it's actually your responsibility. You if you want to use my signals, no problem. But these signals are only offered and they do not constitute in any way solicitation or incentive to the public to sell or buy forex instrument or to open an account to any broker. Okay, I'm just showing you what I choose, and this is what I want to show you only. Okay, so I recommend Pepperstone broker because it's one of the best broker right now that I found on the net. It's a great broker with you can put minimum amount on this platform, and they are using a lot of platforms, but we're gonna stick on MetaTrader 4. And I want to show you the process how to open the account. So if you click on this banner or this banner, whatever banner, you will get to the website of Pepperstone on my livesignaltrade.com website. So let's go. Okay, so here we are. First of all, you can see that you have very, very tight spread. Okay, you've got 0.0 from 0.0, sometimes it's 2 pips, 3 pips on euro dollar. Okay, you've got a little commission. You've got actually two kind of account, the standard account and the razor spreads from 0.0 pips, okay, account. If you take the standard account, so then you will get, for instance, on euro dollar, a spread of 1.2, okay, 12 micro pips. And if you open a razor account, you will get like 2 micro pips, 3 micro pips, sometimes 0 point spread. okay? But a little commission on 0.01 lot, you will have actually 5 cents of commission. So it's very, very low commission on Razor account. And if you don't want to have any commission and only the spread, you can open a standard account. So let's go to the client login. So if you go to this website, if you get first to the website, they are asking you to open a live account. So you click on live account. I will not click on it because I already opened an account already. Okay, just to show you client resources, you've got tons of education tools on this website. I personally, I've been trading on many platforms, but I've never seen such an amount of trading education tools and webinars and trading guides and also support. It's very, they answer very quickly. A great broker, really. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Okay, you've got a lot to learn on this this website. A lot. You got so you got many basic things, how to learn how to trade. Okay, many basic things that you can learn by yourself. How does Forex work? How learn to trade Forex, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Okay, let's look at the technical analysis. Okay, short term, medium term, charts. They teach you everything. The best, I think, is the webinars. The webinars, you've got a series of upcoming webinars. You can register completely free. Okay, and they teach you how to trade with these webinars. There are many people that are providing webinar information, tools on trading. It's really great. You get the webinar, you record, you register to the webinar. They are using GoToMeeting or GoToWebinar, and it's very easy. You get the webinars on your mails, and you can assist or you can review and see the webinars back. It's really a great broker for that. See the trading platforms. You got many platforms. MetaTrader 4. You got MetaTrader 4 for the Mac. You got MetaTrader 5. I recommend to use MetaTrader 4. It's a great platform. MetaTrader 5, I tested it, but I don't like it much. You can go to the web trader if you want. You can use your iPhone, Android, any iPad or tablet, and many other platforms. Myself, I'm using MetaTrader 4. This is what I'm using. It's the best platform in the world. You can get an application on MetaTrader 4, and you can upload your account on MetaTrader 4. Okay, so now I'm going to show you from the moment you open a live account. Okay, then you will get to this actually area. Okay, you've got an area like this. They will open for you a new account. Okay, so, and you can trade with very small amounts. Okay, this is what I'm doing always. Trade with small amounts and withdraw money very quickly. So I open an account to show you. Okay, so this is the account. Okay, you can choose the leverage that you want. You can choose the leverage. You can of course choose before the platform, and they give you a way to choose the platform, the leverage. I choose the maximum leverage, 500 on 1. Okay, what it means? It means that every dollar or every euro that I place on that platform, they give me actually to trade 500 euro leverage, which actually reduce the margin. It's reducing the margin. Okay, so I click on fund now. Okay, and you can become a partner if you want. You can become a partner if you want to promote Pepperstone. Then you see you've got transfer, withdrawal. So I tested already the withdrawal. They are very fast withdrawal. Really very fast. You can withdraw. It takes like 2 days to get the money on your account. Okay, you can withdraw with credit card, with PayPal. I think that every withdrawal that you will do is according the way you are funding your account. If you fund your account with credit card, then they will let you withdraw with your credit card. If you fund your account with PayPal, they will let you withdraw with PayPal. Okay, and you've got you see this little sign showing you what kind of payment you can use, the mean of payment you can use. You can do bank transfer within Australia, or bank transfer, international wires, many Skrill, Neteller, many Union Pay, many ways of withdrawal. Okay, so you can transfer money from an account to another. You can transfer, if you have several accounts, live accounts, so you can transfer money from this account to the other account. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fund your account. So you need to choose the account. So I'm going to choose this one with 0 balance. And the payment, I'm gonna choose Visa. Okay, this is the payment that I want to choose. And the minimum amount that you can put for the first deposit is 200. If you choose your basic currency account like dollars, so then it will be $200. If you use euro, it will be 200 euro. You have many currencies. You can choose the currencies, the base currency that you want to use. Okay, so I choose the euro. So I'm going to put a very small amount. You see, I'm going to put 50 euro now. So they accept. Normally they can accept the minimum amount. We'll try. We'll try how much they want to accept. So I click on Fund Now. And then you've got this page, okay, with the reference number. So you need to put your Visa, okay, your card. So just a second, I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna put my card number. I'm gonna put my expiration date, and I'm gonna put the CVV code. Remember, it's completely secured. Okay, you've got SSL secure website, so it's completely secured, and the money that you put on your account will be segregated to an account not within the broker Pepperstone, but to a bank account segregated, meaning that your money is completely secured. If something happened to Pepperstone, which is very difficult to believe because it's the biggest broker in Australia, but let's say that something happened to Pepperstone, then your money is secured, okay, to a segregated account, bank account. Okay, so just a second, I'm gonna put my details and I come back to you. Okay, so as you can see, my account was they are asking me a code to enter into the account. Okay, a code from my bank. So just a second. Okay, so payment is successful. You see, I succeeded to put 50 euro, very small amount, on this account, and I go to return to funding. Okay, or I can go to accounts. Okay, and as you can see, I got 50 euro on the account. Okay, so now we're gonna check where is the money. Okay, we're gonna check where is the money. So just a second, it's probably on my account on the MT4. Just a second. Okay, so now we are on the MT4. So on the same account that I just founded. Okay, and as you can see, we got here on the left side on the terminal the balance of 50 euro. Okay, 50 euro, and it's a Razer account. As you can see here on this platform. I'm gonna show you. Here it is. Okay, you see the spread. You can place the spread. You see spread. Okay, so you got the spread, and it's 2 micro pips, 2 micro pips, 3 micro pips. You see on the euro dollar, you've got all the spread. Okay, it's micro pips that you have here. Okay, you see. So you can see it. You see, it's the last digit. The micro pip is the last digit. It's the 5th digit. So you see, you got on euro dollar 1. You see, sometimes it's 0 spread, 1 spread. Okay, micro pip, the last digit, meaning that you don't have you don't have a spread. I mean, it's micro pips. You understand? So it's very, very tight spread. So you can scalp, you can do scalping easily. Okay, so I showed you how to fund your account. So this is the way you found your account. So you've got 50 euro on the account, and then I'm going to show you on the next video how to scalp and to implement a strategy which is called the average up and down strategy on scalping. Okay, using the Razer account on Pepperstone MetaTrader 4. Okay, so let's join my next webinar. You can actually go to my channel, YouTube channel, and you can of course you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, and I hope that you will get very good information about how to trade and what to do, not to do big mistakes, and how to make money on your new platform on Pepperstone. Okay, so see you then, and hope to see you subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.